We're just heading down from Squirrel Peak on, what is it, February 7th maybe, 2024, and man, did we ever get a day. What a beauty. Look at that. And the snow, just awesome. Got about maybe 6 to 8 inches of powder on top of a really hard crust, so we didn't even need the snowshoes, but what a beautiful walk we've had here. But check out these mountains around us. Just, up high, there's snow. Up above, say 4,000 feet. That's the squim that you're looking at over there. And yeah, that's Squirrel Peak in behind us. But yeah, what an awesome day we've had up here today, man. Bluebird. We're talking bluebird today. Yeah.